Hey guys, back out at the lake for another round. Just got a signal, had 2 nails and some foil. Well, it looks to be a coin. Let's see what it is. Well, it's green. Looks like it might be wheat. Let's rub it. Looks like it's a wheat. It's a Wheatie. I don't know what the year is. Let me clean it up, I'll get back to you. Alright, looks like it's a 39. Sweet. Alright, let's keep going. Yep. Hang on guys. We had a spill. I went back over it. Got another Wheatie. I don't know what the date is on that yet. Woo! Wheatie spill. Alright, give me a second. I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure guys, this one's pretty toasty, but I think it might be another 39. It's kind of hard to see. What do you think? Maybe? I don't know. We're gonna keep going though. Alright, here we go. Whew. Well, there you go guys. There's something I don't dig a lot. Got a nickel. I think it's a 61 maybe? Yeah, it looks like it's a 61. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. My wife's out here somewhere walking around, and as soon as she gets back, I gotta leave, so I don't know. Whew. I've got probably 12 bottle caps, 164 nails, and you don't want me to tell you how many pull tabs I got. Alright, on to the next.